Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking Alex bought a condo for $94,000 in 2012. He made a $14,000 down payment and negotiated a mortgage from the previous owner for the balance. Alex agreed to pay the previous owner $2,000 per month at 12% nominal interest compounded monthly. How long will it take him to pay back the mortgage? Okay, now let's see how to calculate this one. So first of all, the P value is going to be, here it says he bought the condo for $94,000 in 2012 and he made a $14,000 down payment. So the balance he has to pay is 94,000 minus 14,000 and that is 80,000. Okay, and A is 2,000 here. That is, Alex agreed to pay previous owner $2,000 per month. A, 2,000 per month, and the interest rate is 0.12, 12%, so 0.12 compounded monthly. Compound monthly. Then I is equal to 0.12 divided by 12, that is equal to 0.01. Then let's continue here. A is equal to, the equation is A is equal to P times I plus 1 power n divided by 1 plus I power n minus 1. So here A is 2,000 and P is 80,000 times interest is 0.01 times 1 plus 0.01 power n divided by 1 plus 0.01 power n minus 1. And this is 2.5, that's equal to 1.01 power n divided by 1.01 power n minus 1. And that's equal to 1 over 2.5. Actually, if we rearrange this one, 1 over 2.5, if we flip this around, this is going to be equivalent to 1.01 power n minus 1 over 1.01 power n. Now here we are trying to solve for n. So if we rearrange this one, we will get 1 over, simplify this one, we are going to get 1 over 1.01 power n is equal to 3 over 5. So from this one we can see that 1.01 power n is equal to 5 over 3. So to get rid of this power n and solve for n, we have to take ln both sides. So ln of 1.01 power n is equal to ln of 5 over 3. Now this n can be moved to the front, so n is going to be equivalent to, if we move and solve, n is going to be equivalent to ln 5 over 3 divided by ln 1.01, and that gives us 51.34, and this is the answer. Here it's asking how long will it take him to pay back the mortgage. It's actually 54. Okay, let's read this one. He made per year negotiated mortgage balance and compounded monthly, 12% nominal interest compounded monthly. How long will it take him to pay back the mortgage? That is 51. Okay, that's it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.